Good morning, friends. Today is our sixth day's class. Our class is Speak English. So, the target is how can we speak English? So, for the last 5 days, we were dealing with certain aspects connected with Speak English. First of all, I gave an introduction. After that, we were talking about three powers: power of comprehension, power of conception, and power of contemplation. And also something about LSRW, and based on LSRW, we were dealing with L, that is listening. And in order to reach listening, first we start with hearing. From hearing, we reach listening. The difference between hearing and listening is hearing with understanding. So, with understanding, we reach listening. And when we reach listening, the process is power of comprehension, power of conception, and power of contemplation. Now, the next task is to practice all these three powers. So, when we can practice these three powers, what happens? This is our knowledge, and this knowledge is turned to skill through practice. So, practice helps us to develop a skill in speaking, skill in listening. So, the skill in listening improves, or skill in speaking improves through practice. So, for practice, we can start with simple present tense. So, what is the relevance of simple present tense? Simple present tense deals with habitual action. So, here we can begin with habitual action. That means a day's activity. We can frame questions connected with the day's activity starting from morning till night. That is a habitual action. We can make most questions connected with do and does. So, do and does stands for, does we can use for third person singular. Otherwise, we can use do in the question. So, starting like this, for example, when do you get up, or when do you wake up today morning? So, the answer is I wake up at 6 o'clock today morning. When do you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth at 6:30. When do you take bath? I take bath at 7 o'clock. When do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:30. When do you read newspaper? I read newspaper at 8 o'clock. When do you go to office? I go to office at 9 o'clock. When do you reach office? I reach office at 10 o'clock. When do you have lunch? I have lunch at 1 o'clock. When do you leave the office? I leave the office at 5 p.m. When do you reach home? I reach home at 6 o'clock. When do you watch TV? I watch TV at 6:30. When do you have dinner? I have dinner at 8 o'clock. When do you go to sleep? I go to sleep at 10 p.m. So this way you can practice a day's activity starting from morning to till night or till the time you go to sleep. So if this practice, if you continue, what happens? You now know how to speak in English correctly. That means without any grammatical error, you are learning how to speak English by practicing a day's activity. So if you practice a day's activity in the present tense or simple present tense, tomorrow you can practice with simple past tense. Simple past tense is an activity which happened yesterday. So an yesterday's activity also you can practice tomorrow. So today the practice you can do for today's practice is simple present tense. And when we come to tense, there are two things we have to consider. One is the structure, another is the meaning. A sentence has a structure, that is the grammatical part, there is a structure, and also the meaning. And each tense has a meaning. And what is the meaning of simple present tense? Meaning of simple present tense is it deals with a habitual action. And the structure is subject plus verb. Subject plus verb, and here there are two aspects in the verb. One is when the subject is third person singular, we use the S form of the verb. And in question, there are two words. One is do and the other is does. So hope for practice. And if that practice is not happening, we cannot improve the language. We can improve the language only through practice. So practice listening, practice speaking. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.